Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Jubilant FoodWorks. Our analyst maintains buy on Jubilant with a revised price target of Rs 800. Like for like growth turned positive in Q4 and rose to 3% in Q1, driven by double-digit growth in delivery, LFL. Management expect LFL growth to further improve in the quarters ahead. Acquisition of DP Eurasia has put JFL on track to become a leading emerging market food service company with 3,000 stores across 6 markets and a portfolio of 5 brands. We expect JFL to deliver a revenue CAGR of 21% and a PAT CAGR of 48% over FY24 to FY27, driven by recovery in Domino's India, sustained growth of Domino's in other geographies, scaling up of other brands like Popeyes, Dunkin', Hong's Kitchen and Coffee, and better operating efficiencies. Stock is valued at 29 times FY25, 24 times FY26, and 21 times FY27 consolidated EV by EBITDA. Strong growth strategies and recovery in same-store sales growth make it one of the best play in the QSR space. Next, we have an update on Bajaj Auto. Our analyst retains buy rating on stock with a revised price target of Rs 12,584 on its superior profitability, play on premiumization, and expectation of a gradual recovery in exports. The company has been registering healthy volume growth even though the full recovery in export is still awaited. Its CNG motorcycle is receiving a healthy response and Bajaj Auto is gaining healthy market share in the EV space. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 29.7 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 22.3 times its FY26 estimates.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.